Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I want to offer you a motivational moment to help you keep going on your reseller business. I get discouraged sometimes, and these things help me. I know they will help you too. So let's get motivated. Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Today's motivational moment is going to obviously be about Mother's Day because it's Mother's Day 2019. I personally am a mother of 3, and mothering is one of the hardest things to do, especially in your reseller business, because you feel like your work is always there at your house or whatever location it is that you do your business. But I wanted to encourage you today. Today we're actually going to be learning at church about a specific mother, actually by the name of Bathsheba. And if any of you have read scripture, you know that Bathsheba was not really well known for a good situation happening to her. She was actually the adulterous relationship that King David had, but she became a mother via King David. And even though the background of her story didn't start off the best as far as becoming King David's wife, she became the mother of Solomon. And Proverbs 31 was actually written by, many people believe, by her to give perfect advice to her son Solomon about what kind of a woman is the best. And so the Proverbs 31 woman is very similar to what I talk to you guys about in reselling: to be a hard worker, to take care of her family. Her husband safely trusts in her, which means that he can trust her with anything. And are you that kind of a person? I know this is about women and Mother's Day, but you as a guy too can also follow those principles of being a hard worker. Can people trust you? Are you honest? Do you do what you say you're going to do? Is your yes, yes, and your no, no? Are you a person of your word? So if you get a chance, go ahead and read Proverbs 31. It's a good encouragement in reselling, but it's also a good encouragement for women in what you want to either have your children look for in a spouse, or what you want your children to grow up to be in a spouse, and you yourself, what kind of qualities do you want them to have? So hopefully it's been helpful, and this has been very motivational for you. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you don't attend church or cannot get out, please join me and my church family on our church's live stream on Facebook in the link below. The one who is usually preaching is my hubby, the voice from behind the camera. And you might even see me singing on the praise team. The live stream usually begins between 10:30 and 10:45 after our announcement time on Sundays. Just tune in and enjoy. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.